So get comfortable, and you can do this either sitting or lying down. And if you're choosing a lying down position, then maybe you can place a cushion under your head, maybe something under your knees. The idea is that you're super comfortable. So I'm going to wait for you guys to find an easy place. Okay. So wherever you are, which position you've chosen, see if there's any clothing you need to adjust. And then we begin. So with this simple breathing exercise, this breath work that we will be doing, you will be shown a technique that helps you to take bigger breaths from your belly. So rather than the shallow breaths from your chest, you will be able to have deeper breaths to activate the relaxation response in your nervous system. And that is great for stress relief. And to feel more grounded. So take a deep breath in through your nose. And your belly fills with air. Breath out from your nose. Let's repeat that a couple of times. Breathe in through your nose. Let your belly fill with air. Breathe out through your nose. One time more. Breathe in. Belly fills with air. Breathe out through your nose. And now we add the hands to it. So you place one hand on your chest, your other hand on your belly. And then take a breath in and feel how your belly rises. Breathe out. Feel how your belly lowers. Breathe in. Your hands on your belly should move more than your hands on your chest. So by now, I think you should feel that. Let's take 5 more breaths like this. So breath in, full deep breath into your belly. Your belly fills with air. Breath out, belly falls. And now in your own pace, taking these breaths, just feel how your belly rises and falls. On your breaths. A few more. And by now, maybe you become aware that you've already started to breathe so much more fully by just bringing your awareness to your breath and also the slight help of your hands, which makes it more easy to connect with your belly, with your breath. You can just feel your rhythm of your own breath. You're in your belly. Continue to breathe deeply here. And just that simple breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. And if you notice that today you have a very busy mind, or you feel there's a lot of, let's say, anxious energy, that you need a bit of extra help, then a suggestion is the following audible breath. So it's a bit louder than what we just did. So I'm just gonna exaggerate so you get the drift. It's like a Darth Vader breath, an audible breath that sort of comes from your throat. Okay, I think you get the gist. So if that is something that calls to you and you need a bit more support, then use that audible breath, okay? You can stop with that exaggerated breath whenever you feel like it, and then you just continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Okay, and if you haven't already closed your eyes, then this is the time to do so. Another few deep, simple breaths here. As if you would make them effortless, as if they would come automatic. No real effort is needed. You don't need to push or pull, just that intention of breathing more deeply. Hand is still on your chest, your other hand is still on your belly. And then as you breathe in, imagine that you breathe in peace and calm. If you just want to use one word, please do so. Otherwise, the suggestion is breathe in, peace and calm. And try to feel that with your whole body. As you breathe out, release stress, tension. Again, if you just want to use one word, feel free. Breathe in, peace and calm. Fill your whole body with it. Breathe out, stress, tension. Breathing in, I breathe in peace and calm. As you breathe out, I breathe out stress and tension. On your breath in, I breathe in calm and peace. Breath out, I breathe out stress and tension. So now we add that phrase to the breath. And do feel free to say it out loud, or just say it quietly in your mind. Breathe in. I breathe in calm and peace. I breathe out stress and tension. And do this in your own pace following your own breath for the next couple of minutes. I will be repeating some of the phrases, sometimes just to help you keep on going. Breathe in, peace and calm. Breathe out, stress and tension. Breathe in peace and calm. Breathe out stress and tension. See if you want to add the audible breath, the Darth Vader breath. You just want to keep on breathing through your nose. I breathe in peace and calm. I breathe out stress and tension. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Belly rises, belly falls. Belly rises, belly falls. Breathe in peace and calm. Breathe out stress and tension. And now gently release your hands and let them rest. If you're lying down alongside your body, if you're sitting down, let them rest on your legs or in your lap. You're just taking a few moments to observe, to notice how your body has responded. to this type of breathing. This very simple, but very effective way of breathing deep in and from your belly. Something you can access as many times as you like during your day. Maybe when you wake up, to just connect with your center, your hara, as they say in Japan. That place where you're more relaxed, more grounded, and where you are able to tap into that relaxed part of your nervous system, your parasympathetic nervous response, your rest and digest response. That way of breathing that stills the conscious mind. That can take care of anxiety that we might feel way more these days. And let's see if you want to lock this sense of ease, this sense of calmness into your body, maybe into your memory. Just taking a few moments to lock that, to remember that. And then taking a few deep breaths and a few relieving sighs out. And just gently start to move your body, finding your own personal preferred way of coming out of this meditation, this exercise. Really, really taking your time. Gently coming back, taking your last moments here with your eyes closed. And then when you feel ready, gently open your eyes.